Hey guys, Steven over at KO Motorsports. Finally got around to getting back on our Datsun Roadster project. Unfortunately, this is going to be a very short video. We've ran into some issues. The distributor install went totally well, super simple to install. I mean, it literally took me 10 minutes to actually install it. I mean, you really just need like a 10 millimeter wrench for this one bolt down here. Don't be an idiot and take out the RPM gauge cable. I did that. I didn't realize it at first. And then the wiring is pretty simple. You've got red to... Let me get this out of the way. Anyways, so the wiring is pretty simple. It's red to your positive coil, blue to ground, and black to coil negative. Make sure that you use a coil that's 1 ohm or higher, or 1 ohm. And you can actually use your stock one, which I'm doing, so long as you have the resistor in place. The resistor's tucked down there, you can't see it, but I mean, that's as far as it goes as far as wiring. But here's the sad part. So when I bought this car, it already had an electronic fuel pump put in, and they have a high failure rate. As you can see, this one's completely failed. So you can hear the pump whining, but we've got no fuel here, unfortunately. So this is something I've been dealing with since I've had the car new, but I didn't think that it would finally take a dive. But here we are now. So fortunately enough, I have a lot of the fuel system stuff already. I think I even have an extra inline fuel pump. So I'm just gonna have to get that situated here. But unfortunately, yeah, she's not gonna start today. So a little disheartened, a little upset, but you know, it is what it is. It's part of the frustration and the labor of love when working on cars. But yeah, hopefully we get this thing started soon and we can get this all fired up and on the dyno. So talk to you guys on the next one. All right, folks, just to continue on our little update video, I was correct. I do already have a inline fuel pump from Beachworks here. I was going through my stash of parts though, and what I am missing is the 6AN fittings. So I've got some of those on order already. So hopefully we can get this in and installed, and then get back to getting our Datsun project back together. So just wanted to give you guys a little update and not leave you guys hanging on where we're at.